Mosquitoes love to interrupt your summer fun by leaving you with an itchy red bump. So check out a few tips to help keep these pesky bugs from biting you. 1. Avoid peak mosquito hours. Mosquitoes are most active at dawn and dusk. If possible, avoid going outside during these times. 2. Wear the right clothing. When possible, wear long sleeves and pants to help prevent bites. Mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors, so opt for lighter shades. Loose-fitting clothes are harder for mosquitoes to bite through than tight-fitting clothes. 3. Use unscented hygiene products. It's easier for mosquitoes to find you if you're wearing strong perfumes or cologne. You'll also want to use unscented soaps and body washes whenever you're heading outdoors. 4. Use an outdoor fan. Mosquitoes struggle to fly in windy conditions. Using a portable or outdoor fan when spending time on your deck or patio will make it harder for mosquitoes to bug you. 5. Mosquito-proof your yard. Mosquitoes are attracted to sources of water and yard debris. Eliminate standing water and remove things like leaf litter and grass clippings. 6. Create a protective barrier. Spraying your yard with a plant-based insecticide spray like mosquito and tick killer will help to keep these pests away. Not only does it kill on contact, it also provides residual repellency protection. 7. Use a natural insect skin repellent spray. If you're spending time outside, apply a bug spray to help prevent pests. Our natural insect repellent will help keep mosquitoes, ticks, and flies from bothering you. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.